Changing your payout method on Briar is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Briar website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled payment methods or payout preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods and any available options for changes. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You may have options such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Follow the prompts to enter your new payment details and ensure they are accurate. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new payout method, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification to verify that your payout method has been successfully updated. After completing these steps, your payout method on Briar will be changed. Always double check your payment details to avoid any issues with future transactions.